Global Gridlock Report, Boeing's strategic sell-off, restructuring the future of aviation. Boeing, one of the world's largest aerospace companies, is planning a major restructuring by divesting key assets, signaling significant shifts in the company's strategy and operations. The decision comes amid efforts to recover from financial pressures caused by production delays, economic downturns, and supply chain disruptions over recent years. This move reflects Boeing's focus on stabilizing its core business while preparing for future challenges in a volatile global aviation market. Before we proceed, please like, comment and subscribe to help us with the YouTube algorithm. The sell-off will include several manufacturing facilities and divisions, although specific assets targeted for sale have not been publicly disclosed yet. Industry analysts speculate that the restructuring is aimed at trimming non-essential operations, refocusing resources on critical projects, and potentially generating cash to manage its debt burden. Boeing's leadership has emphasized that this is not merely a downsizing effort but a strategic pivot to strengthen long-term profitability. In the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic, Boeing has faced severe turbulence. Prolonged travel restrictions and decreased demand for air travel led to cancellations and deferrals of aircraft orders. Additionally, Boeing continues to struggle with the fallout from technical issues with its 737 MAX, which grounded flights worldwide and undermined customer confidence. These events compounded operational costs and damaged Boeing's reputation, forcing the company to rethink its business model. Aerospace experts suggest the restructuring could have far-reaching consequences for the global aviation industry. Boeing's decision to offload major assets may impact the company's relationships with suppliers and airlines, especially if the sell-offs affect production timelines. There is concern that this could lead to delays in aircraft deliveries, further straining airline operators already grappling with rising fuel prices and inflation. Despite these challenges, Boeing hopes to sharpen its competitive edge by streamlining operations. The restructuring will allow the company to focus on high-growth areas like defense, space exploration, and sustainable aviation technologies. Boeing has announced plans to increase investment in next-generation aircraft, including electric and hydrogen-powered planes, as it aims to align with evolving environmental regulations and industry trends. Financial analysts view the asset sale as a calculated risk. While the divestiture will provide immediate liquidity, it also reduces Boeing's operational capacity, potentially leaving the company vulnerable if market conditions shift unpredictably. Moreover, the aerospace giant faces fierce competition from rivals like Airbus, which continues to capture a growing share of the commercial aircraft market. Labor unions representing Boeing employees have voiced concerns about the impact of the restructuring on the workforce. Job cuts and relocations are likely to accompany the sell-offs, raising fears about layoffs and economic dislocation, especially in regions heavily dependent on Boeing facilities. Union leaders are demanding greater transparency from Boeing and assurances that workers' interests will be protected throughout the transition. Boeing's leadership, however, insists that the restructuring is essential for long-term survival. CEO David Calhoun emphasized that the asset divestment is part of a broader strategy to refocus on innovation and profitability. "This is about setting Boeing up for the future," Calhoun stated, expressing confidence that the company will emerge stronger and more agile. The restructuring also aligns with Boeing's shift toward diversifying revenue streams. With defense and space programs becoming increasingly important, Boeing aims to reduce reliance on commercial aircraft sales. This strategy reflects the company's acknowledgement of fluctuating market demands, geopolitical uncertainties, and the potential for future economic downturns that could disrupt air travel. Global stakeholders, including investors and government partners, will closely monitor Boeing's divestiture efforts. The company's financial performance plays a crucial role in global aviation, influencing supply chains, employment, and economic growth across multiple sectors. If successful, The restructuring could serve as a model for other aerospace firms facing similar challenges in a rapidly changing global landscape. Boeing's journey through this complex restructuring process will undoubtedly shape the future of the aviation industry. As the company navigates these turbulent times, questions remain about how effectively it can balance short-term financial pressures with long-term strategic goals. Will the sell-offs mark the beginning of a new era for Boeing, or will the aerospace giant struggle to regain its former dominance? Global Gridlock will continue to track these developments as they unfold.